In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OpenCode, connect it directly to Home Assistant's MCP server, and use a free cloud-based AI model to have natural conversations that control your smart home devices, all with absolutely zero code. Alright, this setup has two parts. First, in Home Assistant, we need to install the MCP server to allow OpenCode to communicate with its core. Go to Settings, Devices and Services, click Add Integration, and search for MCP. Now be careful here. You'll see two options. The one we need is MCP Server. This is the component that listens for incoming commands. Don't install the wrong one. With that server running, it's time to introduce the brain of our operation, OpenCode. If you haven't heard of it, OpenCode is a massively popular open-source AI coding agent. It's got over 70,000 stars on GitHub. It's designed to do the heavy lifting for you, from writing articles to, in our case, understanding our smart home commands. It's completely free, comes with free AI models built in, and best of all, you don't need to know a single line of code to use it. If you can type, you can use OpenCode. Getting it installed is dead simple. Head over to the OpenCode homepage, click the Free button in the corner, and hit Download for Windows. Just run the installer and accept the defaults. I've already got it installed, so I'll skip that part. Now, here's the one and only configuration step we need to do. We need to tell OpenCode how to talk to our Home Assistant's MCP server. You'll need to navigate to the folder path you see on screen now. Inside this folder, we'll create a new JSON file named OpenCode. I'll paste in the MCP configuration template provided by the official documentation, which just contains the address and credentials for our Home Assistant's MCP server. Save it, and we're done. To verify the connection, just open the OpenCode terminal and type the command /mcp and hit enter. You should see a success message confirming that it's connected. Alright, the moment of truth. For the model, I'm just going to select the free GLM 4.7 that comes included. Now, in the chat box, I'll just type like I'm talking to a person. Turn on bedroom light. The AI will start thinking, process my intent, figure out it needs to use the MCP tool it now has, and just like that, the bedroom light turns on. It's that simple. We've just built a powerful conversational AI for our smart home with zero code.